Kia ora. Welcome to Annie's School, your toon school of excellence. Today we're learning how to write a recipe. They're really handy if you want to make toe jam soup, or turn your teacher into a bee and make him buzz off. Anywho, what is a recipe? A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing food. Nom 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 nom. There are lots of parts to writing a recipe. First, there's the title. This tells us what we will be making. Then there's the equipment. This tells us what we'll need, such as bowls and spoons and chopping boards and all the other stuff. Then, of course, there are the ingredients. What items will we use to make the dish? 2 teaspoons of dried flies' legs, 2 cups of dragon spit, 1 tablespoon of crushed cat claws. Yummy! Then there are the actual instructions. Number 1, pour 2 cups of dragon spit into a bowl. 2, stir in 2 teaspoons of dried flies' legs. Notice that the instructions start with bossy words. Stir, cook, cut, add, pour, dice, mix, spoon. Do as you're told, these are instructions. And they are numbered and in the order you need to complete them in. So, put it all together and what have you got? The title, the equipment, the ingredients, the instructions. Bossy word, how much of what will you do with it? Toe jam soup. Equipment, a bowl, a large pot, a wooden spoon. Ingredients, 2 cups of toe jam, 3 rotten eggs, 2 tablespoons of dried flies' legs. 1. Pour 2 cups of toe jam into the bowl. 2. Stir in 2 tablespoons of dried flies' legs. 3. Beat in 3 rotten eggs and mix it all together. Pour all of the mixture into a pot and boil for 12 hours. Serve with toast and enjoy. Nom nom nom. So, next time your teacher asks you to write a recipe, instead of going, you'll be able to say, why, yes sirree, I sure know how to do that. And then go and do a crazy cartwheel in the maths corner. Our learning here is done, my little butterfly cakes. See you all next time at Annie's School, your toon school of excellence.